y'all, it's Amy. Tammy's filming on
my phone.
So this looks a little weird just because it's the phone. Today I got something special. I got something snacky.
More food. Like we need it. Shut up.
Something familiar and something of interest. FYI, this is $13 a month, and that includes shipping. And this is March's.
Here, I know what we're gonna do. You can open it, but I'm gonna put it over here, and I'm gonna hand you after I show it. I'm gonna hand it to you. Okay? Sorry, I just put my finger in. Quit looking.
Oh, I got it. That's what the box looks like.
Let's see it.
It's $13 a month. And
Yum yum. Plantain chips. Sweet. Okay, let's try the plantain chips.
it's $13 a month. And
Aww.
hold on. Put it down. Don't break it.
Dude.
Are you reviewing me or?
Yes.
Good.
I wonder
These
if
are healthy snacks before y'all all even say anything.
mint. Plantain chips. What are
Yes, I was smelling it. I want that. Let me see it.
what?
That color.
Well, that's what I was trying to get out. It was on the very bottom. Another one that kind of looks like more of a banana right there. Hey, see through. I don't like them.
I don't know.
Next thing I grabbed was crisp fruit. Strawberries. I know. Oranges.
Oh, these are freeze dried. Yeah, freeze dried tangerines.
They kind of look like a Cheeto.
No, they look like a tangerine. Ooh. That was sweet. And this is Burt's.
These are
British.
hold on. These are tangerine pieces. They kind of feel like a Cheeto in a way.
But that tastes like a tangerine.
Wow. These are better than the first ones.
Alright. I'll eat them all. British hand-cooked chips. Sea salt and melted vinegar. Malt and vinegar.
Mm.
Whoa. Those are vinegar.
And did the plant. These are the vinegar chips. Just look like a regular Lay's. Oh, yes. Mint or cookie?
Biscotti. That's what I've been waiting on because I knew that was coming in the box.
Look at this yumminess.
Biscotti?
Mm-hmm. You better have that right.
See how she does me? It's a Bebop Biscotti.
Bebop.
It said Bebop.
Okay,
yeah.
hurry up.
Don't try that at home. Oh my goodness gracious.
God. Biscotti is a twice baked cookie like thing. Bitch, you took the biggest half.
Oh my god.
Oh, I love the mint. Mm-hmm. Two of these, one's mine.
You can have a seed.
Hmm?
And this is a homemade shortbread cookie. Made from scratch. It's the little St. Patrick's Day.
Hey,
What was
we're
your
up.
least favorite?
See, wait.
You didn't even try it. Bitch, you better try it. Let me see your phone. You're gonna record. I'm gonna record you trying to see.
I haven't tried enough either.
Well. Come on, Tammy. Your fans are waiting.
It's kind of like fish plate. Shut up. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
How? No. I need another bite of mint.
Oh,
You got more.
you got a cookie left?
It's not mint. Mint's freshener. Shut up.
Alright, y'all. That was our box for this month. So what was your favorite item?
Shut up. Stupid Scotty.
This was the favorite item.
No.
And this was the worst. You can have a bite of this. So thank you for watching.
Hey.
And please subscribe. We're one away from 700. And go over to Misty Ray's channel because she'll be having a giveaway pretty soon. As soon as she